Okay, I'm always talking about how I stretch my hair, and a friend of mine was asking me if I would show it on camera. So I'm trying to do that. It's gonna be loud because I'm gonna use a blow dryer. That's how I stretch my curly hair. So I don't know, you can see I kind of did my bangs right now, and I don't really worry about heat damage. What I have on my hair, it's at the end of the day. Like, I just let my hair air dry, and I really didn't care about how shrunken it was today because I wasn't doing anything all that special. But tomorrow I want my hair to be stretched. So this is how I stretch my hair on medium heat with a golden hot dryer. One of these kind. Let me see if you can see it. There we go. One of these kind. I just bought this like a few weeks ago. I had the traditional, straight nose dryer with the nozzle on the end. And I saw somebody using this, and I don't remember what it was for, but I went and picked one up from Sally's, and I really love this more than my handheld dryer. I find use for both of them, but I'm just gonna show you what I do now. And again, it'll be loud, but I put it like on medium heat and then stretch my hair. So let's get to it. Let me see if you can see it. I got this weird setup going on. I'm trying to see which side you can see it better on. But yeah, I've kind of done my bangs already, and let's try this side. Okay, sometimes the shape comes out a little crazy, but I'm trying to show you the difference between my left side and my right side. So again, this is hair that was a wash and go with what did I use today? I used KCCC, or Kinky Curly Curling Custard. And I'm trying to let y'all see the difference between one side versus the other. And all I'm doing is pulling my hair and blowing it at the roots, and my fingers are kind of cupped around my ends. I saw this at Miss Jessie's thing they did in Austin last year. I think it was 2010, or yeah, I think it was 2010. Anyway, so yeah, you can see the difference between this side, which is stretched, and this side. Again, it's not going to be, stretched to the length that it really is, but it has movement. It's soft. It's just stretched out. That's it.